Hi everyone, I'm Adriana and today with Leonardo we are going to see a tablet SPC that doesn't charge. In the power Z it indicates a charge of 300 milliamperes. We use a plastic pick to remove the back cover. I personally like to use always plastic tools. Let's see what we have inside. For the consumptions that we see, I have an idea about what we can find. To get to the charging connector, we have to remove these 3 screws and then we go to the microscope to observe it. As you can see, just on the left side, we see a damaged component. We enlarge the camera to observe it better. We put the multimeter in diode mode to make some measurements. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We apply a little flux to facilitate the extraction of the component. In 10-12 seconds, we have it ready. Remember it, a lot of heat, enough air for a very short time, so in this way we do not have to overheat the motherboard. To remove the old solder lid, we use a desoldering wick and a soldering iron at 350 Celsius degrees. Up here, I leave you the link of the microsoldering training course with subtitles in all the languages. We use a little cotton and contact cleaner. With the help of the multimeter in continuity mode, we measure the pads. Here I'm going to leave you a question. What component are you going to place here, knowing that the pin number 1 is a positive pad of 5 volts in the connector? Now we are going to check with the power Z the charge of the device. So guys, this was today's video. Thanks for watching, for sharing, and see you next time. Bye bye.